Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set business card 55 by 85 mm. You can very easily set this paper size in Excel very easily. So firstly you need to click on here this tab page layout. Now click on size and in here you need to find this business card 55 by 85 mm. So if you find, just click on it to set it. And another way to find more paper size, you can click on it. Now here paper size, just click on it and find this page size and click on it and click on OK. So this way you can very easily set this paper size in Excel. So thanks for watching this video.